A day after BJP leader Gopinath Munde met with an accident in the national capital, his mortal remains will be flown to his hometown as he will be laid to rest in Bir. Senior BJP leader Lal Krishna Advani along with union ministers Venkaiah Naidu, Harshvardhan and Rajnath Singh will be present at the funeral. To get us more details, Madhav is joining us from Bir. Madhav, when are we expecting the body to reach there and when is the funeral to be, slated?
Well, his mortal remains have been taken out of Bombay. They are going to land in Latur, from where it will be brought by chopper here to Parli, where in fact it will be consigned to flames at about 2 o'clock this afternoon. The program, of course, that was there at about 4 o'clock is when he was supposed to really have his funeral, but that program, of course, is being changed. We are now going to see it happening closer to around 2 o'clock this afternoon. It is a state funeral, so you see very elaborate security arrangements that have been made in this entire area. This particular area right in front is where the body will be kept for all his supporters and those in this particular area of Parli to come and pay the last respects, after which the cremation is likely to take place at the other dais, which is a small distance away. A large number of VIPs expected here, so huge deployment as far as security is concerned. We're seeing huge number of police forces, but if we can just show you some of the supporters who are gathered over here, they're of course coming here in huge numbers and have been here since early morning, citing shouting slogans in favor of Gopinath Munde. Clearly, of course, a leader who is loved not just by locals over here but across the state of Maharashtra, and someone also who had in fact grown to acquire a huge profile nationally as well, and the person who was most likely to be the face of BJP in the coming elections for the Assembly of Maharashtra.